Hi everyone, let's proceed to our discussion, which is effective online engagement, a curriculum for active participation. This presentation introduces a short curriculum designed to help students take part more actively in online learning. The goal is to build skills that support better communication, collaboration, and responsible behavior in digital spaces. Let's receive the objectives. Students will be able to first, students will be able to communicate effectively and respectfully in online environments. Second, students will be able to participate constructively in online discussion and collaborative projects. Third, students will take responsibility for their online actions and behavior. Identifying the problem, need and solution. Many students don't fully engage in online classes. They may not speak up, don't join discussion, or miss a lot of assignments. This leads to lower learning and less interaction with classmates. To solve this, we suggest a mini curriculum focused on building better online habits. It will include fun and useful activities, a group work, and communication tools that make it easier to take part in online learning. Here's the sample curriculum plan week. Here's the sample curriculum plan week 1. Week 1 focuses on creating a supportive and actively online learning space. Students will learn why being active in online learning matters, how to talk and share ideas clearly in digital classroom. Of course, we will teach this using group discussion and chats, team projects using online tools like Google Documents and Padlet, or short videos to explain key skills. To check learning, we will look at how much students participate in discussion, if they complete their group task, or what kind of feedback they give and receive from classmates.
The second week, enhancing participations through interactive activities. The first one is learning objective, engage, and interactive online activities. The second one is demonstrate, improve communication skills. Students are expected to participate in interactive online activities to develop their communication skill. The second is the teaching strategies, online quizzes and pool, virtual breakout room, interactive whiteboards, subject-related online game. Tulad nga po ng sinabi ko, ang mga ito ay ginagamit upang mas mapataas pa ang pakikipaglahok. Assessment method is participations and activities, quality of group discussion and contributions, and quiz score are a good way to evaluate a student learning and engagement in our course. These methods can be used to assess differential aspects of the student's learning such as participations, collaborations, and acknowledged retention. The second is the 21st century skill focus skill develop. The first one is critical thinking, the second the problem solving, and the third is creativity. These skills are crucial for success in the modern world, both in education and career. Justifying my role as a curriculum leader. The first one is a leadership decision. Selecting appropriate online tools and activities based on research and student needs. Designs engaging activities promote active learning, provide differential support to cater to diverse learning style. It highlights the truthful selections of online tools and tailored to student need and learning style, emphasizing encouragement and active learning through differential instruction. Stakeholder collaboration. Consult the technology specialists to ensure platform accessibility and functionality, collaborations with other teachers to share best practice and resources through feedback for the student of the effectiveness of the activity. This statement showcases collaborative leadership focuses on improving online learning. It emphasizing seeker expect advice on technologies sharing knowledge with colleagues, and actively involving students in the evaluation process to ensure the success of implemented strategy. Support of student learning outcome. The plan directly addresses the issues of low online engagement by providing students with opportunities to actively participate and learning activities, fostering a more interactive and engaging online learning environment. By implementing interactive activities and fostering a more engaging environment, and the plan directly tackle the root cause of the problem. This focus is on creating opportunities for active participations to improve student learning outcome. Learning outcome plan target low encouragement by providing active participations opportunities, arms to foster a more interactive and engaging online environment. The learning outcome directly addresses low online engagement by shifting and learning environment for positive to active. The plan aims to increase interactive and engagement through opportunities for active participations in learning activities. This approach seeks to improve student learning and participation. This curriculum has equipped students with the essential skills and strategies for effective online engagement by mastering online communications, collaborations, and active participations techniques. They are now better prepared not only for the current online learning environment, but also for future academic and professional endeavors that increasing on critical thinking, communications, and collaborations are transferable and innovable assets for success and digital world. This curriculum successful prepares students for effective online engagement by teaching essential communications, collaborations, and participation skills. These skills are not only variable for career online learning, but also transfer to future academic and professional success in a digital drive world. The curriculum thus provides students and the vital assets for navigating a technologies dependent future.